Drinking one glass of lemon water every day in the morning will benefit for a lifetime. Let us learn about the benefits and the ways of using lemon as an essential ingredient in different dishes to boost your health. Number one, green tea with lemon juice could be extremely beneficial for a healthy heart. Very few people know that lemons are rich even in potassium. Potassium is also helpful in maintaining blood pressure. Also, potassium is an important mineral for nervous stimulation. One lemon contains approximately 80 milligrams of potassium, which is excellent for cell functioning of body, and patient finds great relief in muscle cramps immediately. Second, it is excellent for weight loss. Lemon has a component called pectin, which gives you sense of fullness. When you drink lemon water, your hunger is satisfied and thus induces weight loss. When you add chia seed soaked overnight to lemon water in the morning, it would keep you satisfied for a little longer, which in turn will stop you from eating heavy meals throughout the day, and that would help reducing weight. Third, it makes your skin younger. Lemon increases collagen in the body, which means your skin will have fewer wrinkles and more glow in turn. Vitamin C fights with the toxins and thus prevents acne. To the healthy pink skin, let us make a pink juice with lemon. In 1 cup of water, simply add half a cup of beetroot, carrot, and tomato, 4 slices of cucumber, and half lemon juice. And all this you blend it. This would be a wonderful juice. Try to include this juice in your routine, and you will see the results of acne free and glowing skin. Fourth, it boosts immunity. A very common ingredient, vitamin C, is found in lemon in great quantity. Vitamin C produces more white blood cells and produces antibodies that can kill bacterial or viral infections. Thus, it is a great immunity booster. To enhance the benefit of lemon water, have it in the form of lemon ginger shots. Add ginger pieces and lemon juice in the blender with little water, and then add a pinch of turmeric powder. Blend it and sieve it through fine mesh. Here, your shot is ready. You can add natural sweetener like honey if you want to taste it better. One shot in the morning is more than sufficient. You can store the shot for 1 week in a refrigerator. Fifth point, lemon alkalizes the body. Lemon is acidic in nature, but after consumption, after it passes through the digestive processes, then it gets converted into alkaline compounds. And this is how it maintains the pH of the body. Let me tell you how to make alkaline water with lemon. Take half a pitcher of room temperature water and add slices of one lemon to it with a pinch of salt. Keep yourself hydrated with this water. Sipping this alkaline water detoxifies the whole body. But always remember, do not overdo it. Some acidity is also necessary for normal functioning of body. Sixth, removal of kidney stones. Intake of lemon water can stop the formation of kidney stones. Citrate in lemon combines with calcium and it blocks the production of stones. The best influence on kidney stone is an intake of lemonade. No other recipe is going to work better than this pure lemonade. Drink around 2 glasses of lemonade per day to break the kidney stones. You must be surprised to see so many benefits from that 1 glass of lemon water. Your daily diet should contain this lemon water. Kickstart your day with this energizing and powerful drink, and you see the difference soon. Namaskar.